In this video, I will show you how to send WhatsApp messages without saving a number as a contact. So if you want to do this, then first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp, and then from there, go ahead to any chat you want. It doesn't really matter. And then just type in the phone number that you want to send a message to without saving the number. And then this phone number needs to align with your country code. So let's say we have this number down below and we want to click on this. Then it will say if this person is on WhatsApp. And as you can see, it says this phone number is on WhatsApp. So now we can just click on chat with this phone number. So let's go ahead and do that. And then as you can see, we can now start chatting with this person. So that is how you do it basically. You just click on that phone number and then you can just immediately start a chat. You can also have chats where the phone number is not on WhatsApp, and I'm going to show you what that looks like as well. So let's say we have this phone number in here. Then we see that this person is not on WhatsApp because we can invite them. So it's just depending on the phone number if you can send them a message. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.